Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are here once again in Zoom online classes. It's our English class and third lecture of Zoom online classes. In the previous class, we have read unit number 3, page number 14. As you know that we have read the unit and this unit was about the elephant. So today we are here to find out some difficult exercises and question answers of this unit. So let's see that what is in the exercises of this unit. Okay, so dear students, as you know that this unit was about the elephant and people was surprised that how they will weight the elephant. So let's see that what are in the exercises of this unit. First of all, we have page activities. Take exercises of activities, unit 3, page number 15. And the first exercise is answer these questions. The first exercise is answer these questions. Means here we have some questions and we have to find out the answers of those questions in the unit. So let's see that what is here for you. Now here you have a questions. Here number one question is what came into the village? As you have read the unit, so hopefully you will be clear about the answer that what came into the village. Okay, so the answer will be in here an elephant. An elephant came into the village. What came into the village? An elephant came into the village. Now, dear students, keep in mind that here we have the second form of verb. So, you will use it properly. ठीक? An elephant came into the village. What came into the village? An elephant came into the village. Now here we have another question that had the villagers. Now number 2 question, had the villagers seen an elephant before? Had they seen the elephant before? So its answer will be, you can write it in your own words. Clear? I'm just giving you some guidelines, but you can write the answers in your own words. So, number 2 question, had the villagers seen an elephant before? Yes or no? No. No, the villagers had never seen the elephant before. इससे पहले उन्होंने कभी नहीं देखा था elephant. Clear? Had the villagers seen an elephant before? No, the villagers had never seen the elephant before. Now number 3 question is that what did the villagers want to do? Want mean चाहते थे. What did the villagers want to do? Villagers क्या चाहते थे? क्या करना चाह रहे थे? So, the villagers wanted. Now, keep in mind here we have did in the question. So, whenever we have did in the question, you will change the form of verb into first form of verb into second form. So, here we have the form of verb that is want. That is want. So, you keep in mind that you will change it into second form. So the second form of want is wanted. The second form of want is wanted. So you will start it like this, that the villagers wanted. The villagers wanted to weigh the elephant, वजन करना चाहते थे, उसका वजन चेक करना चाहते थे. Clear? The villagers wanted to weigh the elephant. Now next question we have, who had a good idea? As you read in this unit that no one had the idea that how they will weight the elephant. So only the one of the little girl had a good idea. So your answer will be that the little girl had a good idea. Who had a good idea? The little girl had a good idea. Then where did the elephant go? Where did the elephant go? आप लोग पढ़ चुके हैं कि जब एलिफेंट को बोट से निकाल लिया गया तो वो कहाँ चला गया? The elephant went into the village. The elephant went into the village. वो वापस विलेज में चला गया. उनके पास खड़ा नहीं रहा था कि वो अपना वेट भी वो भी चेक कर लेता, तो वो चला गया था. Okay, then the last question is, what happened with the stones? When the villagers collected the stones, तो फिर उन्होंने उन stones के साथ क्या किया? उन stones के साथ क्या हुआ? उन्होंने वापस फेंक दिए? No, they didn't throw the stones. So what happened with the stones? The people weighed all the stones. उन्होंने सारे stones को अलग अलग से separately उसका weight check किया छोटे से small scale पे, and the old man wrote all the weights to add them. फिर उन्होंने उन सारे weights को add किया. Okay, so this was our questions answers. Now we have exercise 2 or exercise B. So let's see that what is in this exercise, and the name of this exercise is quick check or quick pick. ठीक, आपने क्या करना है इस एक्सरसाइज में? आपने अपना आंसर क्विकली पिक करना है, यानी कि जो भी आपको लगता है कि इसका एग्जैक्ट आंसर है, अपने इसको जल्दी से आंसर करना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव हेयर ट्रू फॉल्स. ट्रू मीन tick or false mean cross. The statement which will be correct, which will be true, so you will put a tick against here that sentence. ठीक, और जो भी सेंटेंस फॉल्स होगा, जो उसके अकॉर्डिंग नहीं होगा, स्टोरी के अकॉर्डिंग, तो आपने क्या करना है? आपने वहाँ पे उस पर क्रॉस लगा देना है. सो लेट्स सी दैट what is in number 1 sentence. So here you have number 1 sentence, that is, the elephant was big. Was it big? Yes, it was big. So you will put a tick here. Number 2, the people were surprised. The people were shocked or surprised, amazed when they saw the elephant. Yes, this is also correct. Number C, they put him on the scale. They put the elephant, mean the elephant. They put the elephant on the scale. यानी कि उन्होंने किसको scale में put किया? Elephant को. So this, I think this sentence is also correct. ठीक. Now the girl had a good idea. All the villagers or the girl? Yes, definitely the girl had a good idea. So now you can see that all the sentences are true. Now second part of this sentence is find the words. Now you have to find out the words that difficulty mean, you have read in the unit, difficulty mean problem, and small town mean village. And for weighing, what you will use? For weighing you will use the scale. Now next and the last one is small rocks or small stones. As you can see that small stones are called what? Small stones are called, or small rocks are called stones. Small rocks are called stones. Okay, so dear students, this was the second part of this exercise. Now we have the third part of this exercise, and that is the, here we have some words, and those words are unscramble. Means कि वो जो है उसके spellings correct नहीं है. You have to make them correct. So spelling scramble. Now the first word, as you can see the picture. As you can see the picture, that is, what is this? This is an elephant. So the first word is elephant. The second word is here for you, that is stones. Third word is animal. And the last word is here village. So dear students, you have to do these two exercises on your book. Okay, so that was all about today's topic. Hopefully you will be clear and you will do it on your book. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.